and a whole bunch of dogs. We told them to take the dog. I'm a retired NYPD cop.
Okay.
So, I don't know these people. They just pulled up and the dogs were passing out.
Okay.
There was like fluid coming out of the back of the dogs. You know.
The flu was coming out of the dogs from the rear end?
Yeah, because they're like dehydrated. There was puppies in there.
Was the actual door open or closed?
No, it was closed when they pulled up.
Yeah, how did you see the...
I parked right there, and they opened the back, and I heard the dogs yelling and screaming. They were panicking. The dogs were panicking, shaking and everything. So I told them just try to get the dogs out, move the truck into the shade.
Okay.
A bunch of people here, like, just concerned. It was horrible.
Yeah.
You see the dogs.
Okay,
they can't transport the dogs.
Yeah, give me just a second, okay?
Yeah, ma'am, I know you're here for us.
So what's going on? Let's come over here. We're gonna go over here because I want to look at the dogs. You got ID on you?
Somewhere's in the truck. We're moving, like legit moving. We lost your dad somewhere, so we stopped.
What is that whining?
It's our puppies. We're getting everything out to put in the car so they can have AC. We had them all at a rest stop. See, I got an AC unit right here. We just left the rest stop maybe like 10 minutes ago and we got here.
Where's that puppy? Which puppy is it?
Back here.
The one with the brown dog.
It's these. We got to get them some water. I can't get a hold of her dad. She's got a hold of my dogs.
All right, just for a second. Let's get the dogs water. Where's the water?
I don't know. Her father's. We lost her somewhere.
Hang tight. Let's get the water. Actually, grab them dogs out because.
I'm trying, ma'am. I'm just freaking out right now.
Grab that puppy. Grab those. Grab them. They're dying. Do you understand this?
I know this.
Do you understand that?
I'm trying to get them some water.
Give me those dogs now. Give me the dogs. Give me the dogs. Give me the other one now. Give me that one. Yeah, give me that one. Let's get them some water. They're all sweating. You should not be having them in the car.
I know, ma'am.
Bring them over here to me, please.
Your car?
Yes.
Yeah,
no, I'm going to put them in my front car.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry. It wasn't supposed to take this long. We had medicine that all night.
All right, sweetie pies. We're getting you. Where are you coming from?
Tennessee.
So you drove the entire way to Tennessee from Tennessee?
Ma'am. We did it all night.
Okay, was the AC actually running?
We had a little one rigged up. It had a water bottle.
Okay, but all your dogs...
Just give me a tiny little hole. Just a tiny little hole.
I didn't think this through, right?
No, you didn't.
Listen,
A 39? All right, baby. Yeah, let's try this one. All right, babies, let me get some more water. So here's the situation, okay? What part of Tennessee did you come from?
Fayetteville, the very bottom.
Very bottom? Okay. How long did it take you to get from Tennessee to Florida, to this location?
With all the stops, or we just driving?
Okay, when was the last time you stopped?
We stopped at 5, and then that was when we found out we didn't have water, and then we stopped again at 7.
Okay, so you stopped at 5 o'clock, realized that you didn't have any water for the animals? Okay, did you at any point in time check on the condition of the animals?
It was still fairly cool outside, so they didn't.
Okay, so at that point your AC unit wasn't working, correct?
No, the AC unit was on, but they didn't seem like they were panting or anything.
Okay, when was the last time did you check for them to have any type of water or anything before 5 o'clock? When was the last time before 5 o'clock?
I'm not too sure on what.
Okay, what time did y'all actually leave Tennessee?
9 to 10.
About 9 or 10 o'clock yesterday evening? Okay, and then about 5 o'clock is when you realized that the dogs and the cats didn't have any sort of water, right? Okay.
Put this on.
I'll hand it over.
All right, turn around. Injure me.
All right, you know what you're getting charged with, right? Animal cruelty. double lock them so they don't tighten down on your wrist. Alright.
Sorry.
Go ahead. Put your butt in first.
Hold on, say, do you have that?
Alright,
Go ahead and put your hands together like you're praying, okay? That's the easiest
praying.
way.
Praying. Alright. Rob, correction, Delta 213. Whiskey Mike and Whiskey Foxtrot 1015.